Commercial electric vehicles, frequently referred to as CEVs, are becoming increasingly popular as they offer a number of advantages over traditional gas-powered fleets. In this video, we'll take a look at the benefits they offer your business. The most notable benefits of commercial EVs are their contributions to reducing emissions and their significant savings on fuel costs. However, the benefits don't end there. The adoption of commercial EVs for fleets can also help businesses meet sustainability goals and environmental targets. This can help improve public image and differentiate your business from competitors. Furthermore, the electricity that powers commercial EVs is often significantly cheaper than gas, which usually translates to substantial fuel cost savings. Additionally, the cost of electricity is generally more stable than fluctuating fuel prices, providing better predictability in operating expenses. Strategically planning charging times to take advantage of off-peak rates, if offered by your utility, can lead to even greater cost savings. Finally, there may be federal, state, utility, county, or city incentives and credits available for commercial electric vehicles, which can lower the effective purchase price by thousands of dollars. Although commercial EVs still require standard maintenance and safety inspections, like tire rotations, wiper blade replacements, and fluid changes, the overall intervals are significantly reduced since commercial EVs have fewer moving parts and fluids than traditional internal combustion engine vehicles. As a result, overall operating costs and maintenance hassle are reduced. Commercial EVs can match or surpass the performance of their conventional counterparts, and they're much quieter. They produce maximum torque and smooth acceleration from a full stop, which can be especially useful when hauling heavy loads or carrying extra equipment. Additionally, some commercial EVs even serve as an energy source for off-board equipment, such as power tools, lights, or mobile offices, providing several kilowatts of electricity through multiple electrical outlets. As commercial EVs and charging technology continue to evolve, the advantages are staged to grow, making CEVs an increasingly attractive option for fleets. Learn more about the benefits of commercial electric vehicles on this site by checking out the many resources available.